for this D&E, I chose option A, which is subtraction, and I found a 3rd grade TEK. It's 4.A, and it says the student is expected to solve with fluency 1-step and 2-step problems involving addition and subtraction within 1,000 using strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and the relationship between addition and subtraction. So the problem I came up with is Katie won 105 Skittles at the beginning of the day. While she was at school, she shared 36 pieces with her classmates. How many pieces did Katie have at the end of the day? And I decided it made sense to start with a timeline when explaining it because it shows the students that we're going to be going into lower numbers. We're not going to be adding numbers like we do for addition. So for the timeline, we start at 105, which is labeled right here. And we want to go back 36. So first we're going to start with minus 10. And then we're going to take away 10 more. And then 10 more one more time. But now we only need to take away 6 more, so we can't take away a full 10. But if we go minus 5, it puts us at 70. And so now we have minus 10, 20, 30, 35, and we need minus 36. So we take away 1 more, and we see that 105 minus 36 equals 69. Okay, and for the next model, I have my printed out base 10 blocks, and we need to represent, here I'm going to write the problem again. 105 minus 36 equals what? So for 105, we're going to need 1 flat, which represents 100. We're not going to need any longs, and then we're going to need 5 units. And the reason we don't need any longs is because we have a 0 in the tens place. So there is 105. And we want to take away 36 of these. But it's not possible to take away 36 because we have 100 here and 5 here. So we're going to have to regroup this flat into 10 longs. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we have 10 longs here instead of 1 flat, we can take away 30 of them. So we can take 10, 20, 30. So far we've done 105 minus 30, but we need to take away 6 more. So let's count our units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't take 6 away from 5. So we're going to regroup one more time, and we're going to take away this long and instead put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 units, since we took away 1 long, which has 10 in it. And now we're going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 longs. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So 6 longs and 9 units is 69, since 9 is our ones place and 6 represents our tens place. And then lastly, where'd it go? I was going to teach them how to do the standard model. So we can't subtract 5 minus 6, so we're going to have to borrow from the tens place. So this becomes 10, and then this becomes 4. No, I lied. This becomes 15.
I think this year becomes 9.
Huh?
Doesn't this year become 9?
Okay, we're gonna start that part over again. I made a mess up. Teachers make mistakes too. So we have 105 minus 36. So we can't take away 5 from 6, so we're going to have to go look at this number to borrow from it. Oh, it's a 0. We can't get anything from there. So we're going to come to our next neighbor. We're going to turn that into a 0. Now this can become a 10, and so now we can borrow 1 from the 10. So that becomes a 9, and that becomes a 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. 0 minus nothing is 0. So we have 69. And one thing you can tell students after subtracting, because a lot of students have the misconception that subtraction is commutative, like addition, which means like if we were adding 2 plus 5, that equals 7, and 5 plus 2 equals 7 as well. So many students would think that since 105 minus 36 is 69, then 36 minus 105 must also be 69, which isn't true. So I think to help that, you can explain to students like you can add 36 and 69 and that will equal 105, which helps show them that subtraction and addition are actually opposites. So I'll go ahead and do that. So we have 69 plus 36. So 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We always have to carry our tens place. And then 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so we have 105. Yay!